Hi there. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hit the little button down there. It says subscribe. Today I'm actually gonna do a better video about my RJ45 jacks. I saw a video before a long time ago about this one and I totally forgot, but now I'm gonna need some revenge on this one. So stick on to it. There. Well, I hope it gets better. I need some focus. Focus. Well, maybe. Well, a long time ago I saw a video about this one, and it's actually easier than I thought. So, but let's do it this time. Been practicing a little bit. You take a flat screwdriver. Mine it isn't be damaged, but it still works. So what I'm doing is I have my vise, so I can hold the piece intact, so not going anywhere. So yeah. So what I'm doing is just like trying to find a little edge just behind the back side of the gold, and then a little clutch, and it's coming off. This was easier than I thought. I don't want to go too hard because they're gonna pop away and fly like popcorn. See, coming off pretty easy. As long as I get my screwdriver on place. Sometimes I use a small one just to remove it. Maybe I'm gonna try without the flash. Maybe. There, that was the first one. So when you get actually hang on it, it'll go a little bit easier. Let's try this. Let's see if we can get some better light. This one is done. There we go. Again, take the screwdriver just on the top. Small little bumps. What's happening is when you do that, you squeeze it up a little bit. See, it's coming up. Just take my fingers and just peel them off. one by one. It's going actually easy when you have the right tools or right stuff, especially really time consuming. So I don't want to destroy my nails, so I'm trying to sometimes I have to, when everything is gone in the middle, it's gonna be soft, which means you can take a knife or razor blade and dig a little bit and will pop off if you're lucky. Oh well, somewhere. So we got one more. I have a full box of it. Let's go for a take a small one. This one contains only 4 and this one contains about 7. So take that, number 4. Same thing. Squeeze it. And oh, perfect. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I like to have it a little bit diagonal up, because when I'm hitting it, it's gonna bounce down. It sounds easier to just pop it. Oh, score in the bucket. Well, that I have to go for. And here we got someone on number 5. If you're unlucky, they're gonna fly away like popcorn. So you have to have patience when you do this. No rush at all, because you rush it, you're gonna eat you. One more on the carpet. Oh, you're still there? Well, thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked the video. If you do it, please give me a comment and thumbs up. And see you next time on my next video. So let's go!